So another day of me not taking a trade because of price action. So gonna do a trade recap, didn't take any trades. So gonna go over what I was seeing. So like discussed earlier in the daily bias, we had a few strong draws of liquidity. We had data highs here along with London session highs as well. It's why hence why it's potential streak and destroy profile. And we also had previous New York session highs located right over here. So we had a lot of draws of liquidity to the upside that we were looking at. Was looking. That's why it's potential seeker to short day, right? We were going to take these highs out and sell off, which we got the sell off part, but we did not get the liquidity sweep part, right? We have none of this, uh, none of this sell off at all, right? This is like pretty much the entire macro right here. Got here, I'll mark it out here if I can get my line thing going. So we have 1450 and then 1510, which we see our macro window, nothing happened, right? So obviously after I was still looking before I was looking, we got really close to taking them out, but just was not enough confluence for me to enter. And we can see how choppy price action is. It's just honestly not the best. So, it's bad price action. You can say that for sure. We didn't take out any liquidity. I mean, we took these lows out of London session and had like kind of a move up, but it's just really choppy price action. So there's no trades really here besides, like inverse value gap. And you can really see it on the 15-minute here also how choppy that price action was in between the macro of how just it's not showing us anything. It's not presenting itself anyway, right? So there's nothing here. Literally a few pips higher would have taken those out, and I would have definitely taken a short right here, but we never did. So obviously, I saw this up here. I was like, "Yo, let's go right in the macro. We're gonna have an A plus setup," and didn't get it. So literally all that happened was we tapped into this hourly order block right here left from London session, and that's all we did today. So very frustrating to say the least. There's just nothing showing itself past few days, and that's okay. I'm not losing anything, but I'm also not even kind of getting a trade, right? I've had, these past 7 trading days, I've had two trades show themselves, and one I couldn't take because of news, and the other one I probably should have taken a small long off of. But um, other than that, I mean, there's nothing. I saw TJR take a trade off of a 1 minute inverse fair value gap, which I thought was pretty bold, to say the least. There might have been a couple other confluences like this hourly order block price was within, but I mean, seriously, other than that, there was nothing. It was pretty crazy how, honestly, choppy price action was. I'm never gonna say it's terrible. It's just choppy. So, but at the end of the day, again, like I say on my TikToks and everything, you're the one pressing the buy and sell button. It's up to you. So, if prices like this, stay out. If you're on an eval account, if you're on a live account, go on a demo account and take a trade. Right? It's not that hard. So, that's pretty much it for the trade recap. I'm gonna make another TikTok video going over some patience, but other than that, I mean, there's just nothing here. So, gonna be ready to go at it tomorrow again.